Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to boost your creative applications just like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro and all other Adobe softwares and Blender and all the 3D softwares. These are the creative applications, and if you want to boost their performance you can enable a simple settings in your Nvidia graphic card. So let's go and do the work. First, go to the GeForce Experience application and log in with your ID and just go to drivers. Here you can see your current installed driver, and now in my PC I have GeForce Game Ready driver. And if you can see here 3 dots, you can reinstall the driver or just go to the check for updates, and here are 3 dots. Just tap on it and here you can see there are 2 drivers are showing. So first is Game Ready driver and second is Studio driver. What is Studio driver? Basically Studio driver is a different driver from the Game Ready driver from the Nvidia that provide boost to your creative applications to perform and render well images. So just tap on Studio driver, and after enabling the Studio driver you will see a update for your Studio driver, and just download the update and install the update and restart your computer for 5 minutes. After the restarting you can see your creative applications will run smoother and with the boosted performance. So this is the trick you can use in your computer. So you can use this trick in your PC to boost your Adobe softwares and Blender and all the creative applications performance. So hope this video is very helpful for you guys, and please subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and thanks for watching.